Few things irk an electrician more than an electrical service panel with unlabeled circuits. Good practice dictates we help out the next Sparky by identifying all circuits and where they go. It's not just to be nice, either. It's a safety issue. Homeowners deal with this frustration, too. Time and inexperience wreak havoc on electrical panels. The good news: it's not hard or dangerous to organize your panel. It just takes a simple, inexpensive circuit breaker finder. Circuit breaker finders come in two parts: a transmitter and a receiver. Plug the transmitter into the receptacle, or light, using adapters you're trying to identify, and it sends a signal to the panel. Move the receiver over the breakers in your panel. The first pass calibrates the receiver. The next pass alerts you to the correct breaker with a toner light, or both. There are numerous options for cheap circuit breaker finder, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable circuit breaker finder from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Basic Circuit Breaker Finder. Klein is a big name in electrical, and the affordable Klein ET300 circuit breaker finder doesn't disappoint. For about $30, this popular model calibrates quickly and emits a clear, loud tone and flashing light when it finds the right breaker. The ET300's transmitter works up to 1,000 feet from the panel, too, making it a standout in this price range. This rugged product features an auto-off feature to conserve battery life. The ET300's 2-year warranty is better than similarly priced models from other manufacturers. Number 2. Best Manual Adjustment Circuit Breaker Finder. All circuit breaker finders require calibration. Auto calibration is convenient but less sensitive than manual. The X6CB10 includes a manual adjustment knob, perfect for fine-tuning the receiver when you get close to the right breaker. Plug in the transmitter and move the receiver over the breakers in the panel. Slowly adjust the knob with your thumb to decrease the sensitivity and slow the pace of the beeps. As you home in on the right breaker, the receiver will beep at only the one you're trying to identify. Number 3. ALLPRIMO Circuit Breaker Finder. Other than buying a highly accurate and reliable circuit breaker finder, you also need to protect your circuit breaker finder properly to ensure that it does not get damaged over time, which is exactly what ALLPRIMO offers. ALLPRIMO's circuit breaker finder case is one of the only few options present in Listicle, which is a carrying case for your existing circuit breaker finder. To be more specific, this carrying case is specifically made for the Klein Tools ET310 that we have mentioned up above. You can also carry the Klein Tools RT250 inside it if needed. Apart from these two tools, this carrying case also has a zippered pocket for carrying cables, connectors, adapters, batteries, and much more. And you get all of this while adding just 8.8 ounces extra to your toolkit. Unfortunately, despite being made to protect your circuit breaker finder. Number 4. Best Circuit Breaker Finder with GFCI Tester. For just a few dollars more than the basic model, the Klein ET310 doubles as a GFCI receptacle tester. Just plug the transmitter into a GFCI protected circuit and click the button. If the GFCI works, you'll hear a click and the indicator lights will go out. Reset the receptacle or breaker. The transmitter also checks for other wiring problems. Indicator lights have 8 configurations, so you know exactly what's wrong. When you're done, plug the transmitter into the receiver's storage dock and toss it into your tool bag. Never lose your circuit breaker finder rec. For just a few dollars more than the basic model, the Klein ET310 doubles as a GFCI receptacle tester. Just plug the transmitter into a GFCI protected circuit and click the button. If the GFCI works, you'll hear a click and the indicator lights will go out. Reset the receptacle or breaker. The transmitter also checks for other wiring problems. Indicator lights have 8 configurations, so you know exactly what's wrong. When you're done, plug the transmitter into the receiver's storage dock and toss it into your tool bag. Never lose your circuit breaker finder receptacle tester again. Number 5. Best Circuit Breaker Finder Kit. Zircon's Breaker Pro ID300 kit comes packed with accessories. Besides Zircon's popular receiver and transmitter pair, you get a light socket adapter, alligator clamps for bare wires, and multiple plug adapters for receptacles, including 240 volts. It even comes with a battery and a sturdy carrying case. And it's one of the few entry-level circuit breaker finders rated for circuits up to 300 VAC, so you know it's tough. At a little more than $200, it's a splurge. But Zircon's extended voltage range and the kit's comprehensive accessories make it easier to justify spending a little more. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.